Good afternoon. Happy Valentine's Day. I am currently freezing because it is 2 degrees, which brings us up from -6 it was at 7 a.m. this morning. I am currently on my way to Arby's to get lunch for the fam. We are doing lunch together. Ian wanted Arby's. I just had to get gas and I am absolutely freezing still. But it doesn't look like there's a line through Arby's, so that's super, super exciting. And yeah. So we're gonna go through here. I am having a honorary cheat day today. So I'm gonna order Arby's for Grandma and Uncle and me and Ian. And we made mini cupcakes, which you already saw. And then later on tonight when Seth gets off work, I'm gonna make dinner for us. Probably just chicken bites and stuff because our oven broke, which is exciting. Okay.
Thank you for choosing Arby's. Can I help you?
Make sure you don't drop it on the floor, okay? Somebody is waiting down here. That's very good, Ian.
You like it? Perfect.
That looks great, sweetie.
All right, I'm so glad I have a helper because there's a lot of little cupcakes here.
Good job.
I'm ready to watch this.
All right, we made it out and we have a few inches of snow. I told Ian we're not going to stay out here that long because it's quite windy, but I wanted to let him come out a little bit. All right, get to work, buddy. It's actually a lot of snow. Holy cow. And they have not plowed our roads. So.
Whoa!
I think I hear a plow. Maybe they have. I feel like maybe they have, but we're gonna get a little bit of play in. We've gotten a little bit done. It's just so cold. And Ian's just, you know, living his life, being a tiger. I did the sidewalk, not the best. Now I'm just working on the driveway. We want to at least do this every few hours. The boys are going to do it too, Tyler and Ethan, because I'm not doing it all the times. So we're supposed to just keep getting snow and keep getting snow. I'm really glad I did go to the grocery store the other day. Oh man. What do you think it is?
I I think it's a crocodile.
We gotta cut all the grass to see.
Why?
This is an activity that Grandma came up with.
Cut the grass for the Grandma, can I make another activity? But need to say that need to cut the grass to see that an animal was not a predator, Grandma.
Well, maybe later. Grandma's working today, okay? She's gotta work.
I think this is a crocodile.
Maybe. You're doing a very good job at cutting the grass. Last piece. What do you think it is? Oh, don't rip the grass, honey. We did our art project, which is now downstairs. He has to clean up his mess, though. And then he's going to try some soup. Pretty much for the first time. This is Paw Patrol, so even if he just eats the noodles out of it, it'll be a win for me. Ian approves. Is it thumbs up? Yeah. I didn't leave the liquid in. But there wasn't that much to begin with, honestly. But yeah. Paw Patrol soup. Or pasta. He loves it. And we got out the kinetic sand to play with a little bit. Somebody keeps going outside.
What is this?
It's a piece of chicken. It's okay. It's good too. Was that good too? Yeah.
Yum.
She has a problem with outside. You're so cold.
Colder than Antarctica?
Colder than Antarctica?
Mm-hmm.
Antarctica's, yeah, it's not as cold as Antarctica is. I promise that. We're doing Play-Doh. I'm having my yummy energy drink. And
I want some energy.
it is continuing to just
I want some energy.
snow. You don't need any more energy. We have a chance of thunder snow this afternoon. So I don't know how much snow we're going to be getting, but it looks like it's actually coming down faster now. So we will see what this looks like later on. So we were just out here not even 40 minutes ago and it's all covered again. It's our mailbox. We're just trying to keep the driveway clear. Honestly, Ian is burrowing. He hasn't been out since this morning, but me and Grandma have been out several times today. And it's windy. All right, go ahead, hurry up. I took my glove off. Seth, this is what your son has been doing for the last 5 minutes. All right, don't get your face full of snow. Good morning, guys. It is day number 3 of Snowpocalypse. We got, since we last shoveled yesterday around 5:30, we got another 4 inches overnight. So Aaron got dug out this morning to go to work, But we gotta do our side of the driveway now.
Slide toward the big triple tree.
Yeah. Slide down. That big.
Hey, Ian. Climb up where you climbed before.
No, bud.
And remember, I asked you to slide down that way.
All right, I came in. So we're all done in the front, but the boys are getting. See if I can get a better shot. There we go. The boys are getting some playtime in. It's actually a lot warmer than it was yesterday. Well, it's like 17, 18 degrees, and it was only like 5 or 6 degrees yesterday. What are they doing? What are they doing, Murphle? Oh, bud. Go ahead. Come in soon. It's getting, I don't want him to get too cold. Ah, Daddy! Daddy, your coat's not waterproof like his. Oh, Murphy.
Mommy.
Okay, it is later. Sun is still out. And it is pancake day. So I made Seth a short stack. I made myself a big, let's see, chocolate chip pancake. And Ian just has the tiny one. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good day.
Good day. Oh, you're out getting ice cream in 18-degree weather. Why? Because we like ice cream. Ian's got his little blizzard. Daddy's got his. And I got mine. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you what I picked up from Aldi. Also, we have a watering can, a very dead plant, some other bits and bobs, and a broken shovel. Ian broke this yesterday shoveling. He's really sad, but we do have another one. So, another one that size. Aldi has their sausage and cheese breakfast pizza back. I know I can make this homemade with the fathead dough and everything else, but I'm choosing convenience over that. And also, our ovens broke. I don't know if I've told you, and it's not going to get fixed till like the 2nd or 3rd, which is another 2 weeks away. So we have like that little convection oven. So I won't be eating this anytime soon, but I wanted to get it because it's not very often, maybe every few months, that they actually have that. So I wanted to get that. And then I saw I had these French toast and maple flavored breakfast meatballs. I am a sucker for these kind of like quick little breakfast cute things. I got that. They had the artichoke stuffed chicken back again. This is like chef's kiss, like so good. I did pick up the broccoli chicken one. I just noticed I'm not wearing my ring. I did take it off when we got home to try to clean it. There's this like hack going on. I'll talk about that later. Like cleaning hack going around, like I guess TikTok or Instagram or something. Anyway, I do have the broccoli one I have yet to try, so I'll try this one later. This doesn't expire until April, so. And then this is actually the other reason I went. I got 4. I would have gotten more. I love halloumi, and it's really hard to find. Actually, these are good till April as well. I wish I would have gotten more. Maybe I'll try back at Aldi in a couple days and see if they have any left, but these were actually going really fast. And yeah, it's so good. So I picked up 4 packages of those. I don't know what the serving size. This is 1 ounce, 8 servings per container. these don't feel very big, so maybe I can get like a couple of meals out of each bag. That will be very, very good. That is my little Aldi haul. So now Grandma and Seth and Ian are doing this little project where you fill balloons up with colored water and then you stick them outside to kind of make like sculptures and things and just fun little molds. So we're finishing our Wednesday night out by having a little bit of fun. So we have come outside. Everything's melting. And Ian is down here.
I got a snowball for you.
Thank you.
You probably did.
Ian is out here having a blast. It is very, very sunny, but it's in the 20s. So that is a heat wave compared to what we have been having the last couple days. The last week, really. Careful.
You can't get out.
You're gonna get snow down your mouth. You're gonna get snow down your back. Let's go play in the yard away from the road, please. Whoa! Look at that. Oh, well, I only have one hand available. Hey, let's keep the snow off the driveway. All right. Let's go play in the yard. Get your shovel. Get your shovel. Let's handle that. All right, go play in the yard where we can't get snow all over. Go on. Hey, you stinker. Here's our little project that we did last night. Got my scissors. They're kind of turning to slush. So they're melting. We may have to do this tomorrow, actually. They're melting. Good morning, cutes. We now have an egg. I'm gonna finish mine still. But look at how beautiful this is. I don't know if the little flakes falling are picking up. There we go. frozen fog this morning. All right, good afternoon all. Sunset's really, really pretty behind me. Can't really see it, but I am venturing out to go pick up pizza. It's kind of turned into like a Friday night pizza night. So we got pizza from Jets, and we never get delivery. I'm just gonna be frank with you, because we could just go get it. But I'm on my way to go get it. We got 3 larges. And then I left a little early because I want to run into CVS. I've been like really wanting to get some new like drugstore bits to try some new stuff, just because I just really haven't gotten anything like in the last year at all, really. I did get some Charlotte Tilbury makeup for birthday and Christmas, but those were gifts. Like I haven't went out and like really gotten anything. So I'm gonna see if they have any of the new Wet n Wild palettes at this CVS. I have a CVS just down the road from my house, but this is the one by Jets I haven't been to in like a year, honestly. Maybe I went one time over the last year, but I didn't get anything. So I don't think, maybe medicine. But anyway, we're gonna go see what CVS has. We're gonna come home and have pizza. And then Daddy has his Saturday through Monday off. Monday is Vincent's anniversary, which will be a whole nother weekly vlog. It'll be next week's vlog. But I don't really know what's going on, honestly, for tomorrow. Just hanging out with Dad, enjoying the weekend. Those are really pretty. You created art, bud. Cold.
My hands are freezing. My hands are freezing.
This one, it's pretty solid.
I don't want to cry it.
How pretty.
I need to warm my hands.
Hey guys, good morning. I am heading out because mine and Seth's anniversary is in 2 days. And he went out this morning without me early and went and got my gift. And now I'm gonna go look for his. I really would like to score him a PS5, but those are like nowhere to be found. So eventually, you know, he will get one. But right now, I just don't know. I don't know what he got me. I'm kind of nervous about it, honestly. So I don't know, but I have to go to Walmart first anyway. I have to get some milk and some apples, and then I don't know where we're gonna go. I might hit Starbucks because I have a little bit of time by myself, some nice little Saturday morning time. I was gonna go to Target, but it's all the way kind of up north in my area, and you don't go to Target on the weekend in a university town. But maybe I can, because me and Seth are going to do Olive Garden. We're literally just going to do Olive Garden one day and eat it in the car and just like not even worry about it, because we won't have any privacy at the house. So maybe I can get him to take me to Target before we go to Olive Garden for our anniversary dinner. That would be super nice. But right now, let's go to Walmart. Y'all, Walmart was intense. Let me tell you, it was crazy busy. The shelves were actually empty, and I'm going to McDonald's because we hadn't had lunch. It's 2:30, so it's like, bring us lunch home. I tried calling him. He's not answering, so I hope that they haven't eaten. I don't think they had, but I had to put my hair up because I'm actually really hot. I got some new makeup bits at Walmart, things that I kind of been looking for. I found the Wet n Wild stuff that I've been looking for. I only got one of the little 5-pan ones because I don't want to go crazy, but I got a foundation, I got a highlighter, I got a new concealer, I got all kinds of things. So I'm probably gonna do like a get ready with me, new makeup, try a new makeup thing, video. Sorry, I'm talking so fast. I'm so just like, I probably waited in line for 30 minutes at Walmart. Like, there was no milk, there was no eggs at Walmart. Like, it was nuts. I don't know if we're supposed to be getting more snow or what, but I'm just gonna go home, eat, and then go to our local grocery store here in a little bit because we do need milk and some other things. I could probably wait till tomorrow or even Monday because I got some Dr. Pepper because it's our anniversary weekend, and I got him a couple of things. I don't know what to get him. I'm literally like freaking out about it. He won't tell me what he got me, and I don't even know. Like, I don't know. I've always, like, even for Christmas, birthdays, everything, I've always just picked out my own thing. And he's like, nope, this is gonna be a surprise. So I just ordered a bunch of nuggets and fries. I'm having a cheat day, and yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. I just got home, we ate, and of course you didn't see my nails. I peeled my nail polish off literally while I was in line at Walmart. I didn't do like a garage haul like I normally do, but I will show you some of the things that we did get. Didn't film lunch, but I ate a couple cheeseburgers and fries, and then I did end up getting Ian a little Dunkaroos like pack thing, and we shared that. And oh my god, you guys, takes me back so many years ago, but Dunkaroos are so good. They are so bad for you. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got from Walmart. Sorry, the lighting is not the best right now, but I do a little haul. The only thing that you're not gonna see here are the Dunkaroos and strawberries, and I got a 6-pack or 6-bottle pack of Mountain Dew Zero and 2 liters of Dr. Pepper. Everything else I will show you. I've been hearing a lot of things about these extreme wellness high fiber carb lean wraps, and I actually looked at these. I usually get the Mission whole wheat, but I wanted to try these, and I scanned these in, and these are actually less carbs than the Mission ones, so I wanted to give those a try. I picked myself up some Lily's Just Milk chocolate baking chips. I use those for desserts, pancakes, everything. I did promise Ian I would get him some gummies, so I got him the mini rainbow frogs, and then I got him some dinosaurs. I also got him some little bites. He loves the sprinkle kind. I did pick this up for me. Gonna be naughty, I don't care, but it is a chocolate covered payday. Super excited about that. And then I picked the boys up some of their just double stuffed elf witch cookies. So this bit is for Seth's anniversary present. I don't know what to get him. He doesn't watch my videos, so he's not gonna see this. But I don't know what to get him, so I'm just gonna put him like a bag of little things together. I got him 2 very large Kit Kats, and then a ton of jerky. I got him this prime rib tender cuts, which I think is new. And then I got him the steak strips, and then just like 4 packs of the bacon jerky, which is his favorite. I went ahead and got in a couple sets of pajamas simply because I just wanted to. They were really cute. We do live in the basement and it's always really cold down here anyway, but I figured I'd probably put these back for his birthday. But I got him a little Pokemon, and they're short sets, so that's why I'll probably put them back for May. But little Pokemon, and then I got him a little Spider-Man. Those are like his 2 favorite things in the entire world are Pokemon and Spider-Man. Now on for the makeup bits. This is new. I'm pretty sure this is new. It's the Bambi Eye Mascara by L'Oreal. I'm gonna try that. I picked up the I Met Someone Hello Halo Blush Highlighter by Wet n Wild. I picked up this cute little Milani eyeshadow duo. I have one of these already in like a gold and like a burnt orange, but I picked up this pink and like champagne one. It's called BFF. I got the little Wet n Wild 5-pan eyeshadow in Sundays, and this was only $2.99. I wish I would have gotten the other 2 I was looking at, but it's okay. I picked up the Butter Believe It Foundation Concealer by Physicians Formula, and then the Incognito Mega Last Wet n Wild Concealer. So I'm very excited to try these makeup bits. I love makeup, and I just haven't gotten any for a while, but that's everything I got from Walmart. I still need to go get milk and some more fruit, and then that will be it. I'll probably just do that haul outside as well, and I want to get out again and try to find Seth something else. Like I have a feeling he got me something really, really nice, and a bunch of beef jerky and chocolate just aren't gonna do it for me. I don't know what to do. But whatever it is, I'll bring you guys along. These later, and it's actually about it's almost 5 o'clock, but I'm gonna go venture up north. I have no idea why, so it's just like, go ahead. I think Ian's grandma's gonna take him to the library real quick. They close in like an hour, but I don't know. Maybe she'll take him tomorrow. Seth really likes to collect like crystal glasses. Sorry, that sound is awful. He likes to collect like whiskey glasses and stuff. I've always gotten him some. I'm gonna go look at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So hopefully I can find some. I'm gonna run to Ulta as well. I am just gonna do all the things. I've been itching to go to Ulta. So we're gonna do that, and y'all are gonna come with me, and then I think that's gonna be it for the vlog for the week, because it's Saturday and I usually post this on Sunday. So let's go shopping. All right, so I'm getting ready to wrap Seth's gifts. I'll show you what I got at TJ Maxx. I picked up this Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the color Ivory. I hope it ends up working out. I actually wanted to try this foundation back in the day, but I just didn't want to pay the money for it, and it was $9.99 at TJ Maxx. And then I got this MAC lip kit. It comes with a primer, one of their matte retro matte liquid lip colors in Lady Be Good, and a lip scrub in Candied Nectar. I got this on clearance for $15. It was normally $19.99. Unfortunately, I have this color already, but it is a really nice color and I'm trying to get more use out of things, so I'll just keep this as a backup. I've tried their lip prime before. They're really nice, and I've never tried the sugar scrub, so it's still a nice little find. And then I was randomly walking through looking for stuff like this, and I found a Rae Dunn birdhouse, just hatched. I think this is new because I think her letters are different than they used to be, but it's really cute. So this will be pretty much out for spring and Easter only, unlike my other two that I have, but I had to get it. And it was $19.99. Nice little TJ Maxx finds. These are the glasses that I found for Seth. He likes to collect Scotch glasses, so I thought he would like these. I think they're really pretty, actually. So I'm gonna wrap this up, and then I went to Party City and got some tissue paper and wrapping paper. I already showed you all of his jerky, so yeah. I'm really excited about my birdhouse though. There's like one just randomly sitting in like the kitchen area. I was like, what is wrong with it? And nothing. I'm not the fondest of the skinny, thin, really tall letters, but it is really pretty.